Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use emotes for your character on the Call of Duty game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty game on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to use your credentials to log in. After logging into your account, you will gain access to the main menu, and from this main menu page, if you wish to use emotes, you will first need to get into the game menu. Just choose whichever kind of game you want to join, and once you choose your game mode, you will gain access to the lobby. Now, from the lobby page, you can invite your friends if you wish, and while you are waiting for your friend to join, you can use various different emoticons. If you look at your user ID, alongside your character, you will find a smiley face icon. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will see the various different emoticons that are available for you. Now, depending upon your gameplay progression level, there might only be a few options that are available, and if they haven't been downloaded already, you will need to tap on the download button that appear on top of them. Once the emoticons have been downloaded, you can just tap on these, and your player will do the action that the emoticon is showing. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use emoticons with your character on the Call of Duty mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.